Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and I am by no means a professional chef, but I do frequently find myself in the kitchen slicing, dicing, chopping, and cutting when it comes to meal prep for my family. So I know how important it is to have a good quality and also good looking knife. I was so happy to find this knife set by Cuisinart. These knives are not only beautiful, I love the white and silver with the natural wood block, but the handles are very comfortable and they're very lightweight. I don't like a knife that is too heavy or difficult to grip, and these fit really comfortably in my hands. I couldn't be happier with how well these cut. They make cutting so easy, which in turn makes the time you spend in the kitchen doing the cutting go way down. A sharp knife is definitely your best friend in the kitchen. This is a set that looks great, cuts great, and feels good in your hands. I definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.